From WCVB Channel 5, this is a Storm Team 5 weather alert.
Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Danielle Volmar. Well, we do have that blizzard warning going into effect at 7 p.m. tonight. It is extended until 7 a.m. on Monday morning, expecting heavy snow, low visibility, and very strong winds. Wind gusts could be in excess of hurricane force winds, especially the Cape and Islands. Now, the interior is going to see a winter storm warning, so still expecting some snow and even wind, just not as much wind as the areas under the blizzard warning. Right now, you're seeing widespread snow starting to break out across the area. It's very light in nature right now. I'm hearing folks saying there's flurries going on, light snow being reported in and around the Boston area, all outside of 495 as well, near Worcester, down to Franklin, Brockton, even farther to the south along the South Shore through Taunton and Somerset, seeing some light snow showers breaking out there. And then the farther west you go, it's becoming more moderate in nature. In fact, I want to show you this. This is the visibility. Visibility is down to ½ a mile now in Pittsfield, so it's snowing pretty good right out there to the western Mass. And that's going to be the whole area that slides over our area. It's going to be a 1-2 punch. First, we'll see steady snow this evening, right around 5, 6 o'clock at night. It continues to around 9 or so, and then the heaviest snow goes up to the north towards southern Maine, southern New Hampshire. But don't worry, it comes right back down for us early on Sunday morning, and then that snow starts to fly. It picks up in intensity. We could see snowfall rates in excess of 1 inch an hour. Very heavy winds during this time period as well, and limited visibilities, near whiteout conditions. It's not going to be one of those things you want to be driving through. It does wrap up, though, by around lunchtime tomorrow, but then that wind will still be strong through the day. It'll also be very cold, and we could see some minor coastal flooding during high tide, which is coming at 7:30 tomorrow morning. When all is said and done, this is what you can expect snow totals wise. You see 12 inches or plus in that pink area. That does include parts of the South Shore, Boston, up through the North Shore. 8 to 12 inches in and around Worcester, and that does include the Cape, and then 6 to 10 the farther west you go. We'll have another update coming up in just an hour. Now back to programming.